Hi guys, Dr. Michelle here in the kitchen, and I'm going to be sharing this new recipe. It's a vegan treat, and there's a variety of ways that you can decorate it, prepare it. So stay tuned, give a subscribe, give a like, tap the bell twice, and you'll be notified of when I'm putting up new videos, more recipes, and more fun with Princess Annabelle. So I'm getting ready to put this one in the oven, but just to give you a close-up, this is going to be like a flat type of fruit vegan cookie, and then these are some wonderful little blueberry filled cookies. So it's going to be really tasty, and this is going to be my lunch and snack for before my meal tonight. Okay, so stay tuned. More in the kitchen with Dr. Michelle.